Tiny Tales Factory. Today we are going to learn about emotions using some fun emojis. Are you ready? Let's go. First up is our happy face. Look at that big smile. When do you feel happy? Maybe when you play with your friends or get a yummy treat. Show me your happy face. Next is a sad face. Oh no. Sometimes we feel sad when we miss someone or when things don't go in our way. That's okay. It's normal to feel sad at times. Can you show me your sad face? Here is an angry face. Uh-oh. We all feel angry at times when things don't go as planned. That's okay. Remember to take deep breaths. Now can you show me your angry face? Surprise! Here is a surprise face. Sometimes we all get surprised by some good news or by a surprise party. Isn't it good to be surprised? Can you show me your surprise face? Wow! Here comes the confused face. When do we get confused? At times when we are asked to pick a choice. Now show me your confused face. That's a scared face. When do you feel scared? Maybe during a thunderstorm or while watching a spooky video? Now can you show me your scared face? Here comes the silly face. Sometimes we just want to be goofy and can you make your silly face? Now as you learn emotions, can we play a game? Are you ready? Which one of these is the happy face? Happy face. Which one is the sad face? Sad face. Which one is the angry face? Angry face. Which one is a surprise face? Surprise face. I love surprise. Which one is a confused face? Confused face. Which one is a scared face? I'm scared. Which one is a silly face? Silly face. Wow, you all did an amazing job. We learned so much about emotions today. Remember, it's okay to feel all these emotions. They help us understand each other better. Write to us if you want to grab the copy of Kids Activity Workbook. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.